2026 Land Rover Defender First Drive, reinventing an icon is always a risky business. New Coke, the Apple III. Levi's Type 1 jeans all crashed and burned amid a mountain of marketing hype. So it's perhaps understandable that JLR took decades to figure out how to do a replacement for the Land Rover Defender. The old-school off-roader with a heritage as storied as Jeep's Wrangler and CJ models, and JLR isn't about to mess with success. 5 years after its launch, our 2021 SUV of the year has been given a minor facelift. Visual changes for the 2026 model year include flush rear lights with smoked lenses, a revised front headlight graphic, and the availability of new exterior colors, including Borrasco Gray and Woolstone Green. Inside is a larger 13.1-inch central touchscreen sitting above a revised center console. The rumbling 626 HP for 0.4-liter V8 powered Defender OCTA gets a textured graphite finish on the bumpers, hood, side vents, and front undershield. It's also now available in Borrasco Gray, as well as an exclusive new halo color called Sargasso Blue. Chopped carbon fiber interior accents will be available as an option, along with a Patagonia white matte wrap for the exterior. A new special edition, the OCTA Black, features black paint, black exterior accents and wheels, and a black interior. The 110 lineup has been expanded with the addition of the 110 Trophy Edition, a one-year-only model that celebrates the grueling Camel Trophy extreme off-road events held from 1980 through 2000, in which competitors drove specially equipped Land Rover vehicles. The 2026 Defender Trophy Edition also previews a return of the event, though instead of advertising cigarettes. The new Defender Trophy competition, the final of which will be held in 2026, is partnering with African wildlife conservation charity Tusk, available in a modern take on the iconic Camel Trophy color scheme called Deep Sand Glow Yellow or in Dark Keswick Green. The Defender 110 Trophy Edition comes standard with a black roof, black painted 20-inch steel wheels shod with Ultra-In tires, a roof rack with a deployable ladder, and external side storage box, a raised air intake, an MUDFL APS, and any changes to the drive? With no mechanical changes, the 2026 Defenders drive exactly as before. They're quiet and comfortable on road and extremely capable off it. The Trophy Edition's mud flaps will noisily scrape the ground during extreme articulation events. But otherwise, this Defender will go pretty much anywhere you point it without drama. The OCTA is fast and fun off-road, though not a true Baja Buster like the Ford F-150 Raptor or Ram 1500 TRX. The rear suspension thumping heavily when this 5,700-pound SUV hits big bumps at speed. That said, the OCTA's strict 6D dynamic suspension is much more compliant and comfortable than that of the regular Defender when wheeling at low speed and low range, and not just because the OCTA boasts longer will travel and better articulation. A version of the 6D suspension setup, which features diagonally cross-linked shocks with separate comfort, jounce, and rebound valves, and can independently decouple each wheel in real time, is currently under development for the regular Defender. Lineup at the Defender OCTA starts at $160,150, while the menacing Defender OCTA Black stickers for $170,550. The Defender 110 Trophy Edition is priced from $89,000 to $150.